Hello everyone, my name is Rakshita J. Harikandra and I am from CSCB and my topic is DNA origami and nanostructure creation. Contents are Introduction to DNA origami, Techniques for DNA origami fabrication, Application of DNA nanostructure, Challenges and Innovation, Future Perspectives. Introduction to DNA origami. Definition and basics. What is DNA origami? DNA origami is a technique used in nanotechnology where long strands of DNA are folded into specific space and structure at nanoscale, much like how paper is folded in traditional origami. Historical development. DNA origami originated from DNA nanotechnology introduced by Nadine Semen in 1980s. He suggested using DNA to create nanoscale structure due to its predictable phase pairing. In 1991, the first 2D DNA lattice was constructed, providing the concept in 2006. Paul Rothman invented DNA origami by folding DNA shapes using short staple strands. And this is the diagram of DNA. Importance in nanotechnology. First one is precision engineering. DNA origami enables the creation of custom 2D and 3D nanostructure with atomic level precision. Biocompatible DNA is naturally biocompatible, making it ideal for medical and biological applications. Nano devices and drug delivery. DNA nanostructures can be used as carrier for targeted drug delivery or as biosensors. Programmable self-assembly. DNA can be programmed to self-assemble into desired shapes without external intervention. Techniques for DNA origami fabrication. Design principle. Software tools for design. DNA origami involves folding DNA strands into nanoscale shapes using computational tools. One of the most popular tools in cDNA which allows easy design of 2D and 3D structure, can do complement it by simulating mechanical properties and 3D shapes. Second one is floating pathway, a self-assembled DNA nanostructure that forms a track or route which can guide movement of molecular components like DNA, walker or cargo molecules, often used in nanorobotics, molecular computing or targeted drug delivery system. Assembly method. Temperature control assembly. This method utilizes precision temperature changes to promote hybridization of DNA strands, enhancing the yield and quality of assembled DNA origami. An enzymatic assembly employs DNA modifying to facilitate the joining of DNA strands, providing a controlled and highly specific approach to constructing DNA origami structure. Application of DNA nanostructures. Biosensing, health monitoring. DNA nanostructures can be engineered to detect specific biomolecules, allowing for real-time monitoring of diseases such as cancer or diabetes through sensitive and selective biosensors. Environmental sensing. The structures can be tailored to identify pollutants or pathogenics in environmental samples, providing a rapid response to changes in water quality or air pollutants. Challenges and innovation. Stability and robustness. Environmental sensitivity. Environmental sensitivity refers to how external conditions such as temperature and humidity affect the performance and longevity of materials, impacting their practical application in various environments. Improvement strategies. Improvement strategies involve researching and implementing methods like material coating, composite materials, and testing protocols that enhance the material resilience against environmental factors. Future perspective. Emerging trends, integration with other nanomaterials. The combination of various nanomaterials expected to enhance properties such as conductivity and strength, leading to innovative application in electronics and material science. Advances in computational design. Cutting edge computational techniques are transforming the ability to stimulate and predict nanomaterial behaviors. accelerating the development process and reducing experimental cost. Thank you.